beep.
Betsy, scoot back.
Hey.
Happy birthday, Jude. We're so excited that you are our cousin. We love you, Lucy.
Sign the card, Mom.
I said you
Happy
can go get it out of that
birthday.
bag, the polka dot.
Whoa.
Ben, come sit down, please, right now. I know, but I
Ooh,
can't.
fun.
Katie?
Oh my gosh.
Ben.
Look at that.
You need to stay seated.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so
Projecting YouTube too.
Because I don't know where to start.
green. Oh, look at those. They're so fun. That's an orange one.
Whoa,
Yeah.
that thing's giant.
What other colors are in there? Here's a blue one. Cool. Look at this cool truck. Oh, that's fun.
It's got, if you cut that thing, the little front, bulldozer,
Dump.
bulldozer, well, that, but the front one, like a little fork.
Plow?
What do you call it? Like a
Forklift,
Maybe
yeah.
we could use that for this winter.
A blade.
Wow, isn't that neat, dude?
Awesome.
I'm busy. I'm busy.
Yeah.
New toy.